In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable turn off my camera and microphone when screen locks. So this is one of the best way to make sure that you don't interrupt meetings, and also your camera doesn't record anything whenever your screen is locked on your Microsoft Teams account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to turn on this feature, go to people here on your Microsoft account Teams and then settings. From settings, look for privacy, and under privacy, look for this option turn off my camera and mic when my screen locks. As you can see, currently this feature is off, which means your camera and mic will always be on even when your screen is locked. So if you wish to enable this feature, then toggle it on, and you're told if your screen locks due to inactivity while you are in a meeting, your camera, mic, and screen sharing will automatically turn off, and then you're told restart Teams to apply these settings. So once you have turned this on, now you'll need to restart your Teams account for this to be applied. So that's how you can enable turn off my camera and mic when my screen locks. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.